holded it, and then it didn't spill all. Oh, you lose it.
Hiking in snowstorm. Alright, this way. For you. Baby, so funny. Hi. Are you having fun? Need a special ride? So pretty. There's a snowstorm going on right now. Well, not really. Kind of stopped now. It's still like it's snowing, but not. But it's not a snowstorm. Oh my god. Look at the trees. They're so tall. They're very super white and nice and pretty. Okay. Oh, you're looking for a treasure? Uh-huh. Wow. Why don't you make a snow angel?
But I don't know. But let's make a snowman. Better. Together.
You make a snow angel there.
No, a snowman.
On the side.
No, a snowman is better.
Are you having fun? Did you like this place?
Yeah.
Can't
But
see
can
you.
you make a snowman for me?
Look at me. Say hi.
Hi. Let's make a snowman together.
Snowmen together?
Yeah.
Oh wow, look. This lake is frozen.
Huh?
This lake is frozen. Oh. There's a lake. Don't go on that.
Huh?
Yeah, don't go too close because it's a lake. It's frozen. Goes all the way there. Say hi, Miriam. Look, Miriam, down. Okay, come on, look at Mama.
Hi.
I can't see you. I don't know why my camera is not super dark.
Is it right, Mom? What does that mean?
Mariam, say hi.
Hi. Now let's go make one and store it. Now let's do a snowball. Now we keep whoever does more, their win. Whoever does a lot, their win. Okay.